In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open your report in edit mode and seamlessly incorporate an image, enhancing both its aesthetic appeal and functionality. Let's dive right in and get started. To begin, ensure you're in edit mode. This is crucial as it allows you to make real-time changes to your report. Once you're there, navigate to the toolbar where you'll find several options. Look for the Add button, and within that menu, select Image. This step will set the stage for bringing visual elements into your document. Alternatively, you might notice an image icon directly on the toolbar, so feel free to click it if it's visible. This can sometimes provide a quicker pathway to adding your image. After selecting the image option, you'll need to choose the source of your image. If you have the image saved on your computer, go ahead and upload it directly. This is often the most straightforward method. However, if your image is already hosted online, simply use the URL option to pull it in. This is particularly useful if you're working with web-based resources or images you frequently update, as it can sometimes help keep your report more dynamic. Now that your image is in place, it's time to drag it onto your canvas. As you move it, consider where it will make the most impact. Often, positioning it in the top left corner works well if you're using it as a logo. This placement helps establish brand identity right from the start of your report. However, feel free to experiment and find what works best visually for your particular document layout. Once your image is positioned, head over to the Style panel, which you'll find on the right side of your screen. This panel is your gateway to making stylistic adjustments to fit the tone of your report. You can adjust the background color, setting it to transparent if the image already has some transparency. This ensures that it seamlessly blends into your report without any unsightly borders. Additionally, explore the options for border styles, opacity, and size. These tools allow you to customize the look and feel of your image, making it as prominent or subtle as you desire. For those looking to add an interactive element, consider making your image clickable. Linking it to a URL, perhaps your website, can direct viewers to more information or resources relevant to your report. This not only makes your document more engaging, but also provides a pathway for viewers to explore more about your brand or content. Finally, remember to save your report. This step ensures that all your hard work in adding and styling the image is preserved. Once saved, your image, now effectively part of your report's narrative, will be visible to anyone who views it. And that's it. You've successfully added an image to your report, enhanced its visual appeal, and possibly even its functionality. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.